arteco7flowers is a breathable water-based paint for interiors with unusual floral decorative effects. Because it is so easy to apply, it can be used to create unique and distinguished environments. The decoration system requires the use of a special Primart 600 base coat, over which arteco7flowers is applied. Let us now move on to the preparation of the room. Fill in the damaged areas. When the filler is dry, sand the surface to make it smooth. Apply a coat of Primart 600 diluted 15 to 20% with water, and after 4 hours, proceed with the arteco7flowers application cycle. arteco7flowers available in white with brown colored flecks. To obtain the colors in the catalog, simply mix arteco7flowers carefully with the appropriate quantity of Colori coloring paste as described under each color sample. Colori is supplied in measuring packs. These are suitably marked, and this makes it easier to add the correct amount of paste in order to achieve the desired result. Shake the Colori applicator for 1 minute. Holding the Colori pack so it is pointing upwards, remove the stopper from the hole. Turn the toothed wheel clockwise, bringing the piston to its 0 point in order to expel all the air. Add the correct quantity of Colori product to arteco7flowers in order to obtain the desired color. Mix thoroughly using a long wooden or metal spatula before applying the product. arteco7flowers Classic Antique Effect. Apply and work the product gradually over a small surface, approximately 1 to 2 square meters at a time, using the PV76 special brush. The application technique consists of spreading the paint in all directions, alternating brush strokes from right to left and vice versa, and from top to bottom vice versa, so that the paint is suitably even. After approximately 5 to 10 minutes, go over the surface which has already been treated, still using the PV76 brush, but not loaded with the product, using soft brush strokes over the surface. Then lightly smooth arteco7flowers using the special PV77 plastic spatula, alternating and crossing the spatula movements. View of a room decorated using arteco7flowers. arteco7flowers Veined Marble Effect. Apply the product transversely, vertically or horizontally, using the special PV76 brush. The application technique, which is very important for obtaining the veined effect, consists of maintaining the original direction using small brush strokes approximately 10 to 15 centimeters in length. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes after applying the product, when the smooth part of the paint is dry and while the rough part is still wet, smooth the surface with the PV77 plastic spatula, exerting particular pressure on the product particles which are most raised from the surface, squashing them and dragging them obliquely, following the same direction with the brush strokes described above. We will now show you how to create decorative stencil effects with a reusable semi-rigid sheet. Apply the temporary spray adhesive Adapit 500 to the stencil at a distance of 20 to 30 centimeters. For improved fixing performance, adhesive tape may be used as well as Adapit 500 adhesive. The application should be carried out using a dark color than the shade used for decorating the room. Use a pencil to mark the points on the wall over which the stencil will subsequently be positioned. When the job is complete, the pencil mark can be removed with a rubber. Now we will show you how to achieve the shadow effect. Place the stencil in a slightly different position from the one just used, approximately 5 millimeters higher or lower, and then apply the paint. In this case, we used a very light color. View the room decorated using arteco7flowers and the stencil. The equipment used in the decoration process should be cleaned using soap and water.